What if you could eliminate up to 60% of the work it takes to build a door? Traditional door construction means managing multiple components, more labor, more equipment, and more time on the floor. For many manufacturers, that complexity limits throughput and drives up costs. Lexington's Banded Core is a value-add solution designed to simplify that process. Banded cores arrive with rails, stiles, and the core itself assembled in a single line, ready for finishing. By delivering a unified core, Lexington removes roughly 60% of the work required to get a door ready. That means fewer steps, less prep, lower labor costs, and higher throughput, all without requiring additional equipment. Customers also have the option to have HDF crossbands applied to the cores, giving flexibility based on application and production needs. Banded cores are ideal for project-based customers, including hotels, hospitals, and institutional builds, who want flexibility without the burden of full assembly. We don't dress the outside to make it a finished door. Customers maintain control over final finishing and customization. Every banded core is built to order. You tell us exactly what it needs to be, size, materials, and components, and Lexington builds it to meet your process. Backed by thorough pre-shipment quality checks, Lexington banded cores arrive consistent, reliable, and ready for production. With Lexington's banded core, you spend less time assembling and more time producing.